Good evening. Today we are going to see the problem of assignment 8. So this is part 2. So now we have to find force in member AD. So the member in which force is required is always considered as redundant. So before this also I mentioned, so first it is always preferable so to find value of K. Accordingly we have to find other values. So we have this as 25 kilonewton. Then we have two reactions over there as we have simple support. And then we have one reaction over here. Now if you apply summation Fx0, then we have this as 25 kilonewton. We have this as 0. And this we will get it as 0. Now this is 3 meters. So we have this also as 3 meters. Now you can see if we will take moment about B0, then we have reaction, this we will get it as 25 kilonewton. You can have moment about B0. So we have moment due to this load 25 into 3 and due to this reaction. So we will get 25. Now if we will calculate, so we have this as 45 degrees. So if we will consider the joint C, then we have forces in this way. And we have this as 25 kilonewton. So we will assume force in this, that is F CB. This angle is 45 degrees. And therefore we have FCB sine 45 minus 25 equal to 0. So I will directly write 25 and we will get FCB is equal to 35.35 kilonewtons plus, so we have tensile. So we have tensile 35.35. So we should be in position to solve the first. Now as we have x component of this 35.53 at C is left, so it will be towards right. And as 45 degrees, so these two components should be same. So automatically I will get this as 25 kilonewtons. Now we will go for K forces. So we have force in member AD, we will have 1. So we have 1. Now we have all the reactions 0 because we have internal indeterminacy. So this is also 0. Now angle 45 degrees. So automatically we have now all these forces in members. So it is 707 or you can write 0.71. And all we are going to get it as compression, and in diagonal we are going to get it as 1. So this type of truss you have to keep in mind. When we have 45 degrees, then we are going to get 1 as diagonal, and then other all we are going to get as 0.71. Now first we will find summation PKL upon AE. Now again AE we have constant. And then first we have that is of this 35.33 and this is 1, both tensile, so plus 35.3335 into, we have length of this member and that length we have 4.24. So into 4.24. So K actually we have 1 into 4.24. Then we have second, that is member AC. So we have minus 25 minus 0.71. So this minus minus becomes plus. So we have 25 into 0.71 into 3. And then we have third value, that is same 25.71 and 3. So I can multiply it by 2. And from this we will get value of summation PKL 256.5. Now we will find summation K square L upon AE. So here we have upon AE. So summation K square L upon AE. Now we have 4 times 0.71 square. into L we have 3 plus we have 2 diagonals into K square and L we have 4.24. And when we will solve this, we are going to get this value 14.53. And then we have R is equal to minus summation PKL upon AE divided by summation K square L upon AE. See, when we have PKL, so if we have tensile in P and tensile in K, then that will be plus. If we have compression in P, compression in K, we have plus. And if we have opposite, one compression, one tension, then only we have minus. Now in this we do not have, we have all plus. Then we are equal to minus 256.5 divided by 14.53, and we have this value minus 17.66, that is 17.67 kilonewton. So we have B. Then we will go next. Determine the horizontal reaction at support A of the following truss. Now again we have to go in the same way. So we are like this. Now we have to remove redundant. So we have to find a horizontal reaction. So we have 2 reactions over here. Likewise. And then we have only vertical reaction here. So here we have 20 kilonewton. Here we have 30 kilonewton. We have to consider horizontal reaction over there. So we will consider and then we will find K forces. So we are in this fashion. So we have 1 over here. Sorry, horizontal reaction. So we will consider here that value that is plus. Always consider plus sign when you are going to consider unit value. So we have this as 1. So automatically we will get this also 1. And as we have horizontal 1, no external forces. So this reaction becomes 0, this becomes 0. Now, as we have vertical 0 over here, so automatically force in AD, this becomes 0 because no vertical is present over here at joint A. Now, if we will go at joint D, we have 2 members, so both become 0. Now, if we will go to joint E, then at joint E, you have 2 members again, then both you have 0. And then therefore, we are going to get this as 1 in this fashion. So we have 1. And therefore, we require only forces in 2 members, that is AC and then CB. So now for this, I will find this reaction, and by finding these reactions, we are going to get forces in the members. Now this reaction, we will get summation Fx0, we will have this as 30 kilonewton. And therefore, we will get force in this member that is equal to 30 kilonewton. Now, if we will take moment about A0, then we have 30 into 4, 120. So I will write moment about A0. And that is equal to 30 into 4 plus 20 into 4 minus VB into 8 equal to 0, and VB we will get it as 25 kilonewton. So we have VB 25. So if I will apply summation Fy0, so this reaction we will get downward, which is 5 kilonewton. And now we have this angle again 45 degree. So automatically force in this will be tensile because vertical component will be upward as this is downward, and by summation fx0 we will get this as 5 kilonewton. So now you can see we have both compression, that is in P also we have compression both, and in K also we have compression. So now first we will find and summation PKL upon AE, and then we have that is equal to 5 into K1L we have 4 plus 30 into 1 into 4, and we will get it as 120, and we have this value equal to 140. Now K square L upon AE we have again simple, and that is equal to K 2 times K square 1 L we have 4, and this is upon AE also we have, so we have 8 upon AE, and then if we will find value of R minus summation PKL upon AE divided by summation K square L upon AE, and we will get it as minus 140 upon 8, and then we will get this as minus 17.5 kilonewtons, and we have this will be B answer, so we have fourth B.